Okay, we got some delivery today. Boxing box. New running shoes. Asics. Gale Nimbus. 27, I think. So I'm gonna do some less running today, so let's see. But now I have work to do still, and I'm actually on my little 15-minute break. So after the work day, I'm gonna go and test these shoes. Hopefully they're good. Yeah, the cushioning in these ASIC shoes are pretty thick. It's totally different if you compare the Under Armour. So much more like I think it's when you walk, it's easy to feel the cushioning. It's like when you step, it's like on the cloud, very soft, but still firm. I think the sole has a really good balance. And yeah, tomorrow we're heading to Finland. In the night we gonna take the flight from Malaga to Helsinki, and in the morning should be at Finland. One day off and then back to work. Yeah, we are heading today to Finland, and I think about 3 weeks in there. So not just holiday, need to work there as well. And I think I have like a maybe 10-day holiday. So yeah, it's great to see family and friends. And yeah, I think our flight leaves about 1 a.m. local time, and we should be at Helsinki about 6:30 in the morning. And I think we might get a train from there. But yeah, let's see. But first, we need to get to the airport. Now at the train station in Los Boliches, waiting for the train to arrive. It's pretty simple. About maybe 30-minute ride. And I think 270 is the ticket, I think. But yeah, let's take the train, and next stop is the airport. Okay, we just came through security check. Very quiet in here, as you might can see. Not many people in here, but yeah, I think it's better now. I've been in the traffic hours in the airport, maybe, yeah, I don't know, many times, too many times. So this is a relief when you have a night flight. So hopefully can sleep on the plane, and hopefully the flight is good. I don't know, let's see. It should be a little bit bumpy. I checked the winds, so I have like quite a lot of wind. So let's see how that occurs when you fly to on top of the Alps. I think that might cause some turbulence, but yeah, let's see. We're flying with Finnair today, and yeah, the plane is Airbus A319, so that's the little bit older model from the Finnair's Airbus fleet. Okay, for a 4.5-hour flight. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so apparently there's a big thunderstorm in Fuengirola, and I think it's heading this way to Malaga airport. So we can actually see a little bit lightning outside, but there's not a good view now, and it's already raining. So let's see what kind of storm we're gonna have before we depart. Hopefully the storm is gonna pass away, or let's see if we can garden that. Exciting.
En todo el vuelo. Recuerden que en este vuelo no está permitido fumar.
After takeoff, the captain announced that we had to avoid the thunderstorms that were on our route. The first hour was hectic, but then it started to ease. But I didn't get much sleep, so when we landed in Helsinki, I was really tired.
And sunny morning from the flight deck as well. This is co-pilot speaking for his time, and currently the weather at the destination, there is quite calm weather like normally during mornings in Helsinki. There has been some recent rains and there might be few clouds visible near the airport. And the temperature is plus 10 degrees Celsius. But from our perspective, there is nothing more special to add, so we are wishing you a pleasant rest of the journey and have a nice day. Thank you.
Okay. I'm just waiting the train to arrive. So we can head to Tikkurila, change the train from there. Now at Tikkurila, and next train about 10 minutes, and then I think 30 minutes ride. Then we should be at our destination. Well, not destination, but our train destination in Riihimäki. So we arrived to our destination, but it's super nice to be here. It's everything. It's so green here and fresh air. We had a little nap, I think 4-hour nap, since I didn't sleep at all at the plane, so last night no sleep. Fell asleep on the train, and yeah, now we're going to summer cottage actually to visit. And but yeah, super nice to be here, and week and a half work and then a little holiday. 10-day holiday, so pretty excited to be here again. But yeah, let's see what Finland has to offer this time as a guest, as now as we are tourists in here. Yeah, let's see. Oh, looking pretty nice. Although it's not warm in here, but sauna is now warm, so let's get some sauna after 8 months. I'm not though swimming today. I say that it's freezing cold. Feels so good after sauna. This is Finnish summer, and I think it's the best it can offer for you. Nice fresh air and sauna at the lake.